This is How to Kenya, where I show Kenyans and my fellow fans and subscribers across the world how to do stuff in general. So let's get right into the video, how to open a new Instagram account. So the first thing you'll see is this page where we have the Instagram interface, and you need to press sign up with email or phone number. That's what you need to press. So it will bring the email and phone number up. So you need to use a phone number. Let's say there we go. I want to use an email. I don't want to use a phone number because I have lots of emails, but phone numbers are a few. Let's do with email. Okay, How to Kenya. Let's open an Instagram account for How to Kenya. Kenya 254 at gmail.com. That's my Gmail if you want to talk or communicate to me. You put your name, password, next, yes. And then it will teleport you to the main site. Yeah. Nowadays they have a confirmation because talk about oh shit. Most of the time they use your phone number for the two-factor authentication and security. Okay, at this point you can decide to sync your contacts or continue with syncing because with contacts I don't have friends. Let's keep that part. Facebook friends, if you have Facebook friends you can link your account. Just keep that for now. The profile photo for your friends makes you. Let's keep that for now. I can add other photo later. You opened your Instagram account, so watch the next videos for